Andrew from SACS. SACS works with some of Australia's leading recruitment companies to provide them with psych tests for their clients. This diagram shows you psych testing methods which are most accurate in predicting performance of candidates, and you'll see that our instruments all come to the very top of the table. But perhaps more importantly, the reason that we got into psych testing over a decade ago was to come up with methods that would be incredibly easy for clients to understand. This is an example of a SACS risk table, and you'll see that these scores are all green or amber, which means no red high risks. That's one of the things that we do to make each psych test easy to understand. Of course, we have customer service. There are duty staff who will take clients' calls and help them with interpretation. But in addition to that, each report is backed by HTML service, which is to say, if you hover over any component, you will get a text explanation as to what that component means. If you click on the link, you will then get a video that will help you to understand how to interpret. There are 4 levels of service available for clients: basic, intermediate, premium, and ultimate. And the shortest of them takes 20 minutes to complete, the longest of them 1 hour and 45 minutes. Of course, we want to work with you every inch of the way in this process. We understand that these people are your clients and you need to make sure that they get good service. And we're really trying to help you to build your reputation and the profitability of your business by adding this service for you. If you'd like to find out further, click on the link near this video or make contact with us and we'll set you up for a free trial so you can see what the service is actually like.